Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by unlocking your iPhone and opening settings so you can act immediately. Tap Privacy and Security. This is where Apple centralizes tracking controls. Once inside, scroll to App Tracking Transparency and the System Tracking options. You need both. Make sure your device is updated because labels and locations change with iOS releases. Now you're ready to toggle individual controls and see which apps requested permission, so you control what can track you across apps and sites. You toggle off Allow apps to request to track to stop new tracking permission prompts. This is the fastest global move. Once done, open individual app entries under Privacy to revoke previously granted tracking or add permissions. Make sure you also inspect location, Bluetooth, and camera access because apps can combine sensors to infer activity, deny or set to while using or never when unnecessary. Finally, return to Settings to verify changes and note which apps may lose personalized features. You finish by reducing system-level tracking. Go to Settings and disable share across devices, personalized ads, and app analytics so Apple limits data linkage and ad targeting. Once done, also turn off significant locations to stop history-based inferences. Make sure to restart your iPhone so all changes take full effect. If you still see targeted ads, clear browser cookies and check app updates. Sometimes permissions reappear after app updates. Revisit settings and revoke them again if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.